Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a candy flour. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need a selection of colorful candies like lollipops, gummy bears, and wrapped chocolates. Also, have on hand some floral wire, green floral tape, and a pair of small, sharp scissors. Finally, prepare a sturdy base, such as a small decorative pot or a block of floral foam, to hold your sweet creation. Now, let's start forming the petals for your candy flour. Carefully unwrap your chosen flat candies, like fruit chews or taffy, and gently flatten them a bit more if necessary to create a wider surface. Next, take a piece of floral wire, about 6 inches long, and securely attach it to the back of each candy piece. Bend and shape these wired candies into delicate, petal-like forms, ready for assembly. With your petals ready, it's time to assemble your beautiful candy bloom. Begin by selecting a central candy, perhaps a lollipop or a larger round chocolate, to serve as the flower's center. Arrange several of your wired candy petals around this center, forming the first layer. Securely wrap green floral tape around the wires at the base, binding them together. Continue adding more layers of petals, taping each new addition firmly. To complete your candy flour, take a moment to adjust each petal, ensuring a natural and full appearance. You can gently bend the wires to create depth and dimension. Once satisfied, carefully insert the stem of your finished candy flour into your prepared base, whether it's a pot or foam block, making sure it stands upright. For more great ideas and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below. They are perfect for keeping your snacks fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.